So today I want to talk about why sometimes it can be really good to go out for a few hours instead of an all-night camping trip. My name is Jason and welcome to my outdoor weekend. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe, and I will appreciate your support, my friends. So, life gets busy. We don't always have time to pack everything up and head out for a night out. But that doesn't mean we can't enjoy nature. Sometimes just a few hours in nature is all you need. It's a great way to take a quick break, breathe some fresh air, and reset your mind without having to spend too much time planning or preparing. And if you got new camping gear, this is a perfect opportunity to try it out. You can see how everything works, become familiar with your setup, and be better prepared for a longer trip in the future. In addition, you can enjoy the satisfaction of using your equipment, even if it is only for a short time. Another thing I love about these short trips is the flexibility. You don't have to stay overnight. So if the weather turns bad or you just want to go home, you can pack your things right away and leave whenever you want. And for those of you who make content such as blogs or tutorials, this is a golden opportunity. You can make videos showing off your gear, share tips, or just capture the beauty of the great outdoors without having to worry about the challenge of camping overnight. Finally, it's great for practicing skills, whether it's pitching your tent, cooking outdoors, or just getting better at navigating. These short trips gives you a chance to hone your skills. So yes, don't underestimate the power of a quick camping trip. Sometimes all you need is a few hours to recharge, enjoy your gear, and maybe even create some great content. So, okay, for now, I hope you enjoy my content, and let's get see each other to the next episode, my friends. Adios, and remember to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, my friends. Bye-bye.